Morning from Kriete Truck Center in Madison. Take a quick look here at a stock MD6. This particular unit is under CDL at 25,950 GVWR. It has a Cummins 6.7 liter engine in it, 300 horsepower, Allison transmission, 2500 RDS, 50 gallons of fuel on the truck, air ride rear suspension, mirror to rear axle. This unit is also equipped with optional AccuRide aluminum wheels, red granite 16-foot contractor's body, pintle plate hitch, quarter-inch or quarter cab protector, in your DEF battery box under the right-hand passenger door. It does have heated power mirrors, power windows, power locks. Also does have the optional bright finish bumper.